There's no place more important or comfortable than your home. It's a gathering place for those you love, a celebration location, the most desired destination at the end of a long day. It's where you shrug off the weight of the world and recharge. Turn your home into a haven and keep it that way by adding an air scrubber by Aerus to your home's air system. In any given space, contaminated particles, odors, allergens, poisonous gases, bacteria, and viruses can circulate within a home and trigger allergies, asthma, or other health issues. Normally, people are helpless and turn to ineffective or possibly harmful choices to eliminate the source of the problem. But with an air scrubber by Aerus protecting your home, you can redefine the way you purify your indoor spaces and protect your family's health. The Air Scrubber by Aerus uses ActivePure, which is a powerful, safe, and proven technology. In fact, it already helped protect over 10,000 homes during the recent Porter Ranch gas leak in California. The odor from the leaked methane gas caused residents to experience adverse reactions, and Air Scrubber by Aerus helped eliminate the odor and enabled people to stay in their homes. So how can the Air Scrubber by Aerus work in your home? The Air Scrubber by Aerus frees your home of stale air and bad odors instead of covering them up with synthetic fragrances. The Air Scrubber by Aerus reduces contaminants in your home using our proprietary ActivePure technology that is proven safe for people and pets. The Air Scrubber by Aerus protects your entire family from pollutants and poisonous gases that can make them sick. Creating a clean, healthy, fresh home for your family to live in and enjoy can become a reality with Air Scrubber by Aerus.